This is a tutorial on how to change the lens in a Pixel 2. Here's the scratch lens I had on my camera. What you'll need is a lens replacement kit with a lens and the adhesive backing, a razor blade or X-Acto knife, and a heat gun. You'll start by heating up the lens itself for about 8 to 10 seconds, moving the heat back and forth. On my phone, I'm actually changing the back glass as well, so that's already been removed, but that's not necessary to make the lens replacement change. Once you've run the heat over the lens for about 10 seconds, you're going to want to grab your razor blade or X-Acto knife and run it around the metal ring of the lens while rotating between pushing and pulling to try to unwedge that lens that's pretty friction fit into place. Once you get it popped up, it's pretty easy to remove. You'll just have to get the last bit of adhesive off. And some of the adhesive goes with the lens. Some of it stays here in this little metal portion. So you're going to have to patiently use your razor blade or another tool to lightly scrape away that remaining adhesive. Be patient on this step because you want this basically down to raw metal. In this video, I'm actually using a plexiglass cutter because it was pointed but fairly dull, so I didn't scratch into the metal, but I don't think it's necessary. You could do it with a razor blade as well. Then you're going to take the replacement kit, take the lens with the painted black portion down and apply the adhesive to that portion. And then the blue backer needs to get removed. It's actually a little bit tougher than you think. You got to push the adhesive pretty hard onto the lens itself to give it enough grab onto the lens so you could peel that blue portion off. And then make sure your lens area is clear. With compressed air, you can just blow into it if you feel comfortable enough doing that. Then place the lens in place, adhesive side down, and you'll have to give it a firm press because the friction fit is actually pretty good on the lens. So fairly simple process, and there you have it, a fresh lens on your Pixel 2 phone.